Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Beauty. So guys, on this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make brown sugar. Using this is 1 kg of white sugar. Here is what I have here. Why this is mocked serum. So this is our black treacle. In Africa we call black treacle. So this is black treacle. Here is Sweden is called mock syrup, which is dark syrup. Is what it's called here. So like me that always bake and do some small chops all the time, so it is better for me to do the the brown sugar, because for example you are just you are not into the business, please go ahead and buy your brown sugar from the supermarket. Like those of us that bake or do small shops, that buying brown sugar is very expensive. So you are not, when you combine everything together, you see at the end of it, you are not going to make that much profit. So for you to have that much profit, go ahead and do your brown sugar at home. So this is what I'm going to be showing you guys in this video, how to make brown sugar at home. So this is my 1 kg of sugar, so I'm going to be adding it there, which I just did. Then I'm going to take my black treacle, with my measuring cup. So you can increase it or you can reduce it, it all depends on you. This is 1 cup of my black treacle, so I'm going to be adding it. Like I said earlier, if you are not into the business, no need for this, but if you are into the business, this is very good for you, because brown sugar is very expensive. I don't know your state, but here in Sweden where I live, brown sugar is expensive. So it's better doing it so you can get more profits. Because there is no week I don't bake in my house, and most of my recipe required brown sugar. So I'm just going to continue to stir it together. So this is it, guys. This is how it looks. If you are happy with it, then it's okay. If you are not happy with it, then you can add more. So this is the remaining in 1 cup that we use. So I'm just going to add the remaining one to it. So this is 1 cup of black treacle added into 1 kg of sugar. So after mixing, I'm going to be transferring it into my bowl, into my hair tightener bowl, then cover it and use. This one will not last me up to 3 weeks. So if you are not into commercial, please get yourself a brown sugar in the markets. That is it for this video. If you have watched up to this extent, please don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe. And also leave me your comment at the comment section below. See you guys on my next video. Until then, remain blessed and stay blessed. Bye. This is our brown sugar is ready.